welcome to Year 1 at Sunnyview School. Today we're going to explore a fun and exciting topic all about toys. Toys aren't just fun to play with, they help us learn too. In our science lessons, we use toys and everyday objects to discover more about materials and their properties. Let's take a look at some of the fun activities we enjoyed and how they helped us learn. The children put their design and engineering skills to the test by creating an egg box dragon using recycled materials. This activity linked to our English lessons and the story we were reading at the time, The Adventures of Egg Box Dragon by Richard Adams. Students used egg boxes and other recyclable items to build a brand new toy, their very own egg box dragon. This activity provided a fun introduction to our topic and helped us learn that toys can be made from a variety of materials and that they can be reused for new purposes instead of being thrown away. We talked about why certain materials like cardboard are good for building. It's light and it can be cut and shaped easily. We also learned that recycling helps us protect our planet, so our dragon was not just cute, but eco-friendly too. Next, we had a show and tell session where each child brought in their favorite toy and shared it with the class. The children explained what their toy was made out of, such as plastic, metal, wood, or fabric. At the same time, we discussed why certain materials are better than others for making toys. For example, fabric is used to make stuffed animals because it is soft, flexible, and perfect for cuddling. This activity helped the children to identify and name materials. At the same time, we practiced using vocabulary such as hard, soft, smooth, rough, flexible, transparent, and opaque to describe the materials our toys were made of. By talking about their own toys, the children made a strong connection between science and their everyday lives. After that, we became sorting experts. The children sorted a variety of objects into groups based on the materials they were made of. This helped them understand that objects can be grouped together according to their properties. Sorting or classifying is an important skill, and the children did a fantastic job making their observations. Finally, we took a variety of common classroom objects and tested which would sink or float in water. The children made predictions based on what they had already learned about different materials and tested their hypothesis. This activity showed that objects will sink or float not only based on the material they are made of, but also on how they are constructed. For instance, a metal coin will sink while a wooden pencil will float. The children loved experimenting and discovering the answers for themselves. This fun topic showed us that science is everywhere, even in the toys we play with every day. Through building, sharing, sorting, and testing, the children really enjoyed this topic and learned all about materials and their properties in an engaging, hands-on way.